Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rashmi here, and today I am going to answer a question which I have been asked so many times. In fact, this question is not only expected in my one-on-one session, but in my seminars, trainings, talks, workshops, live sessions, and the question is, how much water should I drink every day? It's a simple question with no easy answer. We have all heard that 8 glasses of water every day is best. Well, these advices come from age-old guidance and may have no scientific evidence. So the truth is, how much water you need is more individualized than you might think, and no one formula applies to all. So today I am going to clear out this confusion about how much water you need and how easily you can stay well hydrated for your individual needs. But before I start, as usual, if you're new here, then subscribe and do give it a thumbs up if you like this video. We all know 60% of our body weight is water. We need water for every single body function, and our body constantly loses water throughout the day, mainly through urine and sweat, and through other regular body functions like breathing. Every cell, tissue, and organs in our body need water to work properly. And water has many important jobs in our body, like it carries nutrients and oxygen to the cell, helps in flushing out toxins and waste, cushions and lubricates joints, helps in keeping body temperature normal, helps in maintaining electrolyte balance, aids in digestion, and protects organs and tissues. Lack of water can lead to dehydration, and you may experience fatigue, headache, and impaired mood. For adults, US National Academy of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine suggests 3.7 liters of water for men and 2.7 liters of water for women. And this recommendation includes fluids from water and other beverages and foods. About 20% of your daily fluid intake comes from food and rest from drinks. Still, the answer to exactly how much water you should drink isn't so simple. Drinking 8 glasses of water is a reasonable goal and easy to remember. But for some people, less than 8 glasses of water might be enough, whereas other people might need more. Even a healthy person's water needs will vary if you are losing water through sweat, because you are exercising or you are out on a sunny day. So my overall point is, no set amount is right for everyone. It's important to drink water as your body needs it every day, and you need to modify your fluid intake based on factors like exercise, environment, then where you live. I mean, you will need more water in hot, humid, dry areas and high altitude. Then your diet and eating habits, your overall health, and other factors like if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Your body knows how to balance its water level and when to signal you to drink more. So if you listen to your body, it'll tell you when it's thirsty. Though relying only on thirst signal may not be sufficient for optimum health and exercise performance. So in certain circumstances like increased sweating, or when you are vomiting or have diarrhea, or in the case of weight loss, pay attention to how much water you are drinking. And to make sure you are hydrated well, I have some tips for drinking more water. Number 1, try carrying a nice water bottle with you wherever you go, whether it's gym, office, or road trips, and prefer marked water bottles so that you know how much water you are drinking every day. Number 2, focus on overall fluids and not only water. You can include milk, fresh juices, green tea, broth, etc. to meet your hydration needs. Number 3, replace sugary and other drinks with water. Number 4, add some flavor to your water like fruit infused water. Number 5, Drink 1 glass of water after waking up and before going to bed. Then 1 glass of water before each meal and 1 glass of water every hour at work. Number 6, eat foods high in water like tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, celery, melons and gourds. Number 7, you can even set water reminders using an app on your phone, laptop and smart watches. And number 8, people and athletes who train hard and intense can consider a sports drink with electrolytes to replace the lost ones through sweating. Also, avoid drinking a lot of water because it can lead to a condition called hyponatremia, in which excess water dilutes electrolytes and sodium level drops, and it may lead to serious problems. So you don't need to think too much about hitting a particular number of cups, glasses, bottles or liters of water each day, but it would be good if you develop the habit of drinking water more regularly throughout the day, even before you are thirsty. At the end of the day, no one can tell you exactly how much water you need, as it depends on so many factors. Experiment and see what works best for you. So that's all for today. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day and a great week ahead. And I'll see you in the next video.